Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Node. JS and a package manager are installed, then initialize a Vite or create React app project. This gets the environment ready fast. Next, define your dashboard's core metrics and a single responsive layout so you know what components to build. Once done, pick a UI system, Material, Ant Design, or Tailwind, because consistent components speed development. Make sure to scaffold folders for components, services, and assets. You want clear separation from the first, commit onward. You now implement the middle work. Build reusable components, cards, tables, charts, so adding metrics is fast and consistent. Once a component exists, connect it to a small API service layer using Fetch or Axios. Include loading and error states to prevent blank screens. Then integrate a chart library and use list virtualization for performance when rendering thousands of rows. Make sure to lift state sensibly and use context or a lightweight store for shared filters and user preferences to avoid prop drilling. You finish by adding authentication, protected routes, and environment configs so builds are consistent across dev and prod. Next, optimize. Code split routes, lazy load heavy charts, and enable gzip or Brotli so initial load is fast. Then deploy to Versal or Netlify and configure a simple health endpoint and log streaming. If something breaks, check the console and network tabs first. Then verify environment variables and API base URLs because mismatched. End value.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.